Formatting documents in Microsoft Word can sometimes feel tedious, especially when you're dealing with long reports, essays, or professional papers. But with a few simple tips, you can format your documents quickly and without hassle. Stick around until the end, and if this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical Word tutorials. First, always use styles for headings, subheadings, and body text. Instead of manually changing fonts, sizes, or colors, applying styles keeps your document consistent and professional looking. Once a style is set, any changes you make automatically update throughout the document, saving you time and effort. Another quick tip is to use paragraph spacing and line spacing tools instead of pressing Enter multiple times. Adjusting spacing under the Layout or Home tab ensures consistent formatting and prevents misaligned text. It's perfect for essays, reports, and even newsletters, making your document cleaner and easier to read. Tables and columns are also key formatting helpers. Use tables to neatly organize data, lists or schedules, and columns to create magazine-style layouts or brochures. Pairing these tools with the AutoFit option in tables ensures everything looks balanced without manually adjusting each cell. Quick Parts is another feature that simplifies repetitive formatting. If you often use the same headers, disclaimers, or text blocks, save them as quick parts. You can insert them anywhere in your document with just a few clicks, keeping your formatting consistent across multiple pages or documents. Finally, take advantage of Word's built-in alignment, indentation, and ruler tools. They allow precise control over margins, tabs, and object placement, helping you achieve a professional layout without trial and error. Combine these tools with the navigation pane and page breaks for easy organization of long documents. By following these tips, you can format Word documents efficiently, keep your work organized, and make everything look polished without unnecessary hassle. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Word tutorials, and share this with someone who wants stress-free formatting. Thanks for watching.